how to download Roblox on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can download Roblox on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to download Roblox on your PS4, basically all you have to do is simply go to your PlayStation Store, and once you go to your PlayStation Store, go to the search bar that you can see from the very top, and you can simply search for Roblox, right? Once you search, you'll find the first game over here, and it is actually a completely free game. You don't have to pay anything to be able to purchase this game. And here you can simply see the download button. In my case, I've already downloaded it, so you're seeing the start option. But if you haven't, you'll find the download option, and from where you'll be able to download. This way you can download Roblox on PS4. Previously it wasn't available, but now it is. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.